Hey guys, it's Jada with Jada's Adventures in Cleveland 13 News. I found the perfect place for a day trip or a staycation where you can explore unique family-owned businesses. Cuyahoga Falls, less than an hour away, is the perfect place to explore. We checked into Sheraton Suites for our getaway, and with a relaxing pool, friendly staff, and spacious rooms, it was a nice place to stay. One of my favorite parts of the weekend was the river view from the hotel. Even in the winter, the view is breathtaking. The local shops, most that are locally owned, is something that is worth exploring. You can grab a sweet treat from Pave's Creamery, savory popcorn at Metropolis Popcorn, or even some henna art at Artful Cricket. It is a place to get out, have fun, and enjoy some time with family. Jay's Adventures is always showing you fun places to make memories with your family, so follow along with me as I take you on more adventures.